Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a Logitech webcam to Zoom and test video settings. Easy to begin by connecting your Logitech webcam to your computer using the USB cable. Ensure the webcam is securely plugged into a USB port. Next, wait for your computer to recognize the device. Now, launch the Zoom application on your computer. If you do not have Zoom installed, download it from the official website and complete the installation. Once Zoom is open, sign in with your account credentials. In the Zoom home window, locate and click on the gear icon in the upper right corner. This will open the settings menu. Select the video tab on the left-hand side of the settings menu. Here, you will see a preview window displaying what your webcam sees. If your Logitech webcam is not selected, click the drop-down menu under Camera. Choose your Logitech webcam from the list of available devices. As you select the Logitech webcam, the preview window should update accordingly. Now, check your video settings to ensure they meet your preferences. Adjust the camera resolution if necessary for better quality. You can also enable Touch-Up My Appearance for a smoother look. Once you are satisfied with the settings, close the settings menu. Next, prepare to start a meeting or join an existing one. Click on New Meeting or Join from the Zoom home window. Once in the meeting, verify your webcam feed again in the video preview. If everything looks good, you are ready to proceed with your Zoom call. For additional testing, consider recording a short video session. After recording, play it back to confirm your video quality. Remember to adjust your lighting or angles if the video is not satisfactory. You're all set to use your Logitech webcam on Zoom effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.